Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Paulina. Today's video is all about cleaning. This is my weekend routine. This is pretty much what I do every Saturday. I hope you like this video. If you do, please subscribe. Let's get started. I always start cleaning after breakfast. It's usually a bigger mess than this, but I forgot to record. As I'm putting the toaster away, I noticed that there was some breadcrumbs, so I'm picking that up with a Lysol wipe. Now I'm dusting the rugs and moving the chairs to the living room so I can start sweeping. I noticed Odie needed some food and fresh water, so this is what I'm doing right now. I use the Swiffer to sweep and the dry cloth wipes I get from the Dollar Tree. They are a lot cheaper and I think they work for me. The way that I like to mop is one section at a time. After mopping one section of the floor, I go over it with a dry microfiber cloth. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. Comment down below if you have any questions and don't forget to subscribe.